The only thing to say about modules in batch scripts is that in order to use them, you basically just load them the same way as you would have done on the command line. So if you want to run GCC, run something that uses MPI, you would have to load a module with MPI. If you want to run Python, you would have to load Python and its prerequisites in the batch script, or MATLAB, or whatever it is you need. And I won't say much about batch scripts. It's just that any longer parallel heavy jobs must be run as batch jobs, so you don't slow down the logging mode. And we do have a course on batch systems, which will run again in a few months, I think. So just load the modules you need to run the job, just as you would have if you were running it on the command line. And I will just show you briefly an example for a serial job. So this is just a typical small batch script. And these things that are here are directives to the batch system. And here comes the module part. So you do as you would have otherwise. At the centers where you module purge things, it is recommended to do so before you load things, so it doesn't carry any modules over from your batch RC or something. And then load the modules you need. At NSC, it could for instance be these here. So this is just an example for Python 3.10.4. And then you can just run your Python script in there. If you want to do the exercises, they are in 5 modules in batch scripts. You find the Python scripts, and then you can simply copy these scripts here and save them nano and my script sh, you can call it what you want to. So I'm pasting it here and it doesn't work. No. Again, why did it not copy it? And this time it worked. You need to change it to your own project ID here, or if you are in this course project, you can use that. I will just briefly show you. Yes, and then you use info to see what you have. And it will show you your projects, and I have this project here that I'm going to use for the courses 22,934. So I put that here. Like this. And then I save it. And then I can send it over. It's not that important. It's just showing you that you just put the modules there as you would otherwise. And likewise for the other examples here. So I'm not going to say anything further than this.